Hi, I'm Kevin. I'm a 10th grader here at Hanalani Schools, and this is a day in my life. So the reason why I play the violin is because my grandpa got me into it. With that, I've been playing for 10 years and going on to my 11th year this year. I've been at Hanalani since preschool, and I love it because it's really just showing how much a small class can really get to know each other. Hanalani has really kept me passionate about the violin in various ways. We offer these programs during the summer or even as private lessons. The other things that we offer is cover performances around the year. We have our annual Christmas concert, and we have Evening of the Arts where all of our programs come. The reason why I kept playing orchestra is because we get to perform outside of school, not just in school or our local programs. We get to travel. Last year's past trip, we got to perform at Knott's Berry Farm, Six Flags, and at Disney, and it was really fun. A professional conductor comes in, they teach us, we play the music from the movie themes, and it really shows what their side of the music is, and it really helps you grow connections with other people as you go out in the real world. My name is Kevin, and I'm a musician. I am Hanalani.